Hello everyone, this is Prakriti RAGHUVANSHI. Welcome to the OpenOffice Calc series. Today we will see how to insert shapes and images in Calc. So first we have to choose the shape option from View, then Toolbar, then Drawing. Now you can see the shapes are here. Here are different kinds of shape. For example, if I take a line, this is the line. You can see the properties, fill, color. This is the color. We will fill color. For example, this. First, you will increase the width so that line is clearly visible. So you can see the color I have chosen is filled here. Now we'll see this style. You can see that there are different kinds of a style. For example, if I take this one, and the transparency is also there, which we can increase or decrease. Transparency is used when you want to see what is written at the back and make the line transparent. So you can have an arrow, for example this. See, here an arrow is made. You have different kinds of arrows. For example, you can take this type of arrow. Now we have see the corner style. So you can see there are corner style and there are different kinds. For example, if we take this, you can see the line can move here and there, and the shape of this arrow is changed when you use the corner style. There are cap style, which is flat, round, and square. Then we have the next shape, which is rectangle. We will take a rectangle. So now we will see rectangle. You can see a rectangle is made. It has the same properties as the line. So first of all, we have the color. So here we have different options. For example, gradient, hatching, and bitmap. You can see the bitmap is whole plane. So now we have transparency. There are different kinds of transparency. We can fill color in the same. We have different kinds of color. As you can see, we have water. These are the effects that we can apply in the rectangle. We have daisy. So there are many different kinds of colors. So you can see the width of this. So till now we have seen that we can apply different effects in the rectangle. So now we will go to another shape. So now we will see the drawing. Your pencil, you can here see. We will have chosen this, and now we will draw line. So you can see it has same properties as the rectangle and the line. We can fill color in it. For example, if I take this color, we will increase the width so that it is clearly visible. Now we have different kinds of transparency. For example, I take this. Here also we have different options as well. You can see it has different kinds of a style. For example, I choose this. You can see. Now next we have option of text. It inserts the text box and we can write on it anything. For example, if I write Prakriti, we can increase or decrease the size of the text box or move it. So we can move it anywhere on the page. We can increase the width, the style. There are different kinds of style. For example, you can see the box is like made this. Then we have campus style, corner style as usual. Next is the callouts. After callouts, you can see we have a smiley here. Then we have flowchart. So you can have flowcharts in this. You can write in the same. Next, the important is like the font work. Like we have in the MS Word, the word art, here same is font work. For example, I select font work and click on OK. Then we can see font work is here. Let me delete this. So we have the font work here. Now if I write something here after deleting it, for example, if I write hello and then click anywhere, then we can see a hello is here. So you can change the style of this hello. For example, we have color, trans. So now we can also insert image from file. For example, if I click this here, the image will be open. If I type the name of the image and click on open, then it would be open here. For example, if I take an image, for example, I take an image of this. So you can see the image is pasted here. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the image. So thank you. This was for today. In the next video, I will tell you more about the OpenOffice Calc. Please like and subscribe the video and my channel as well. My other videos playlist is uploaded in the description box. You can have a look on it and you can watch the videos.